Usually people argue with each other with regards to the rakat of Taraweeh, 8 rakat or 20 rakat. So what is the correct understanding about that? See, Taraweeh, actually the word used in hadith is Qiyam al-Layl, which means standing in the night, praying, worshipping Allah. So it is mentioned in the hadith of Bukhari, hadith number 2013, that Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, she was asked about the prayer of Prophet Muhammad, about the salah of Prophet Muhammad in the month of Ramadan. She replied that ma kana yazidu fi Ramadan wala fi ghayriha ala ihda ashara raka, that Prophet Muhammad in the month of Ramadan or in other months also, he never prayed more than 11 rakah. 11 rakah prayer only he prayed in the month of Ramadan and in other months also. So this was the number which Prophet Muhammad prayed. But this prayer is nafil prayer. It is nafil prayer. It is mustahab to pray Qiyam al-Layl in the night. And this tahajjud prayer, Qiyam al-Layl, Taraweeh, it is the same prayer only. But when Hazrat Umar started, he made people stand. In the initial period that people used to pray this nafil prayer, and some used to pray together, some individually, like that. So Hazrat Umar, it is mentioned in Bukhari hadith number 20110, that Hazrat Umar made them stand behind one qari. Then and he remarked, ni'mal bid'atu hadhihi, what a good bid'at, ni'mal bid'atu hadhihi, he said, what a good bid'at it is. And he also remarked that the prayer, the time in which they sleep, that prayer is better than what they are offering now. So in that time also they were praying in the early part of the night. And he remarked that the prayer in the third part of night, which is the tahajjud prayer, it is better than what they are offering. So we must strive to pray. We must strive to stand in front of Allah, establish Qiyam al-Layl, as it is mentioned in the hadith that man qama Ramadan imanan wa ihtisaban ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbi, that whoever stands in Ramadan out of hope, out of sincere faith, out of expecting forgiveness, expecting reward from Allah, then غُفِرْ لَهُ مَا تَقَدَّمَ مِنْ ذَنْبِهِ, that all his previous sins will be forgiven by Allah. So we must stand in prayer. So this is what is required. And people are giving 8 rakats, 20 rakats. See, this is a nafil prayer. You can pray as much as you want. But Prophet Muhammad used to pray 8 rakats, but its length and beauty was amazing, which Hazrat Aisha has remarked about. So that Prophet Muhammad used to pray 8 rakats, but if somebody pray, they can pray because it's a nafil prayer. But the recommended will be, mustahab will be to pray what Prophet Muhammad prayed. But you can pray as many as you want, as much as you want, because this is nafil prayer and you can pray as much as you want. So but the method, how much rakats Prophet Muhammad prayed, those were 11 rakats in Ramadan and in other months also, because he was praying, because it is actually the tahajjud prayer only, which is Qiyam al-Layl, and in Ramadan it is recommended to pray, to stand before Allah, because this is a blessed month. So one must strive to pray as much as one can, so that he may be forgiven.